power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara Edition in black clear coat. With automatic headlamps, fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, black Freedom top 3-piece hardtop, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 24,000 miles on the odometer, 6.5-inch touchscreen display, navigation, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, command track part-time 4-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5367A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.